Because if you look at it, we're talking obviously a lot on the negatives, but how many people are going to be fed up with the constant addiction to technology, how it's completely ripping apart like human nature? It will drive people towards a connection to nature and to the soul, really, to spirit. And Rudolf Steiner touches on how technology plays a role in the spiritual awakening of man. Not only will it drive people into hypermaterialism, but also it will test people to the brink, really, to question the nature of reality. And in that questioning and curiosity begins the journey into selfhood, into spiritual nature.